Welcome back. There's shock, horror and nationwide outrage over the Bengaluru sexual assault case that was captured on CCTV. The unsuspecting victim was seen walking with a friend on a deserted road late in the night, and what followed was a predator walking right behind them, grabbing and groping the girl before fleeing from the spot. The Karnataka police have now launched an investigation examining the CCTV footage from the area. But what's even more shocking is the response from the State Home Minister, G. Parmeshwar. He said that such sporadic incidents keep happening in big cities.
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಘಟನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬೀಟ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
My colleague Neha Hebbale is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, it's been a few hours since the Karnataka Home Minister made that statement, and a lot of shock has been expressed. The BJP also calling out the mindset of the Congress party to say such incidents of molestation keep happening and dismissing it so casually. Has there been any reaction from the Karnataka Home Minister, an apology, a clarification for what he said?
Well, Pratibha, so far, of course, the Home Minister hasn't clarified on his statement. To put it in context, while talking, of course, about the kind of instances that have been taking place in the city, he says that the police have been working, all round the clock, 24/7. But despite that, incidents like this, happen. One or two incidents here and there happen, that they are going to increase the patrolling. But the question, of course, about downplaying this incident, we'll take this across now to some Bengalurians, to some women from the city. How safe do they feel? How are they responding now to the Home Minister's remark? I want to start by asking you, we're seeing a very unfortunate incident. Woman is molested there with her friend while she was present. The accused has still not been arrested. It's been 4 days now since the incident took place. Karnataka Home Minister says instances like these happen in big cities. How do you view this?
I think it's a very casual statement that he has passed, and it's very unfortunate that the leaders in power think this is their mindset and this is their take on the whole scenario. It's such an it's such a deep it's such an important issue to be handled very with some empathy to the women who has undergone this. And as a woman, I feel that I feel safe in Bangalore, but then obviously late night walking out alone is a very, very scary thing to do, because you never know who's looking at you, how, and I'm always like with one hand in my bag and something ready to kind of protect myself. I'm always like that. So yeah, it's really it's really sad that the Home Minister has spoken this way. Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to ask you, we've often seen statements like this coming in from people in positions of power when an incident happens, whether it's rape, whether it's molestation, sexual harassment. This chalta hai attitude of the politicians has gone on for far too long. How do you feel about what the Home Minister has said? And as someone who's lived in Bengaluru for many years yourself, how safe do you feel when instances like this get reported so often?
Well, what better coming from the Home Minister? He gives you all the permission to behave and act as, men to act as they wish. Well, I don't have much to say when the man who actually needs to be taking his hand forward and foot forward and making sure that there's no small or big issue. There cannot be issues as such. If this is how it is supposed to be, give us women the power to carry our own weapons and protect ourselves, so we'll do what we gotta do. So then tomorrow it'll be that we women are damaging and hurting you men for defending ourselves. Let's reverse that, because we're coming to a point today because there's no other way out. Let's defend ourselves. If as the government as leaders you don't want to do this for us, we're just left with no other resort but to help ourselves. And
very strong words by the women there. Bengaluru known to be one of the safest cities, and now women say that this is the Karnataka Home Minister almost giving a license for people, going on to say that the Home Minister seems to be suggesting to the molester that such incidents happen. A big outrage over these statements. Neha, I'll come back to you. Let's play out what the Home Minister has said.
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಘಟನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬೀಟ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
And well, with that, we slip into a short break here. We'll be right back with the top headlines. Stay with us.